little cocoa holders are, all you do is print them. You simply take a scissors, just a regular scissors, and you cut around the outside of each of the characters, the front and the back. And then you also can cut out the extra signs and the other embellishments to make your little character three-dimensional if you choose to do that. If you don't, that's great too. As you can see on the back, there's a little spot for you to make a handwritten little note also on the back. So once you have those cut out, I'm cutting out the little sign that goes on the front. I'm going to make my gingerbread little guy three-dimensional by adding that sign later on. So once it's cut out, you simply take an X-Acto type blade and you cut a little slit right by his arm, and this is where the candy cane is going to be inserted. You can see I'm showing you the little hole there. And once that's in, you just insert it from the front and kind of angle it however you like so it doesn't cover up the face of the little gingerbread. And then I just take a little bit of Scotch tape and I tape it on the back side so that it stays in place and I don't have to worry about it moving around. Then I take my cocoa packet and I tape that in place on the back of the front side of the character as well. I'm just putting a couple pieces of Scotch tape on there just so it doesn't move around and it doesn't fall out the bottom. As you can see, you need just minimal supplies to create this cute little stocking stuffer gift. And now I'm going to take the back and again I'm going to take some Scotch tape. I'm going to make some little Scotch tape rolls with that, you can see. And I'm going to place that on the cocoa packet so that way I can just lay my back onto the back side of my character so that my little gift character has a front and a back side. I think it just looks more finished that way. I'm also going to put a little piece on the head just so that I can place it all together and it doesn't slide around. So there you go. I have my front, I have my back all put together. It's a really cute little packet. Now I'm going to add my little sign, and this is how you make it three-dimensional. So I'm going to take my Scotch tape, again, I'm going to make a little ball roll, whatever you want to call it, and I'm going to bend it just a little bit so it sticks up. And I'm going to tape it in place, and there you go. I have a little three-dimensional sign on the front of him. And I can put my little handwritten message on the back on the little sign that's on the back.